So every day we scroll, like, share, and react. But how often do we stop and think? Are we being manipulated or even misinformed?
Main spreaders of false information in the country. An overwhelming majority.
Misinformation spreads faster than the truth. It influences our belief, decision, and even elections. Without media literacy, we are vulnerable.
Media literacy has the ability to analyze, access, evaluate, and grade media in all its form. It means questioning what you see, checking sources, and understanding your bias.
So there are 5 tips. The first tip is check the source if it's credible. The second tip is look beyond the headline. The third tip is verify the fact with checking sites. The fourth tip is recognize the clickbait. The fifth tip is be responsible, think before you share.
The fight against misinformation starts with you. Educate yourself, empower others, and be media literate.